Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to see other viewers on Facebook story. Okay, first thing that you should do here, as you can see, I have this story for example. Now, if you want to see the other viewers other than your friends, you just have to scroll down, scroll from down to up like so, just like so, and here you can see all the viewers. This is method number one. Method number two is to go back, click on these three vertical lines at the hamburger menu, then go scroll down until you get to settings and privacy. Then you should go and click on the settings menu. Then you should scroll down till you find your stories, tap on it. Then you should make sure that who can see your stories is public. Then you want to go and click on custom. Then you can see all your friends. Now, in order to see all the people that saw your story, you just have to scroll down and scroll to the left side and you will be able to see them. But here in my case, because I do not have even one viewer of my friends, I cannot do so. But you just have to scroll to the left side, from the right side to the left side, from the left side to the right side, I mean, and you're all done. Okay, so these are two methods in order to do so. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.